Hello everyone, it's me Sid, and in this video we're going to be checking out the Masteriyo LMS's certificate builder. They have a new, improved, better certificate builder. I'm a little late on making this video, but let's not worry about it. Now, even before we get started, let's give you guys a short recap or an introduction to Masteriyo LMS. If you guys don't know what it is, Masteriyo LMS is a WordPress learning management system that helps you create and sell your online courses from directly within your WordPress website without needing to touch a single line of code. Masteriyo is also one of the fastest growing learning management systems for WordPress. While other LMS plugins are slowly dipping down, we are slowly climbing up, so I guess that just means we are doing some things right. Anyways, let's get started with the certificate builder. Now, if you guys don't know how to get started with Masteriyo, I've created quite a lot of videos. I'll link the latest one down in the description below to get started making a course. But yeah, first of all, let's go with an add-ons here, and you need to ensure that your certificate builder add-on is enabled. For me, it's not enabled. You can simply enable it. This is a free add-on, just letting you know. So yeah, once this certificate builder add-on has been enabled, simply refresh your page and you should see a certificates menu right here. Simply click on it and now you can get started just creating a certificate that you can link to your courses. Let's click on add new certificate here. Course creation certificate, and a few of the others are pro certificates because they have got some pro elements. But right now, let's not worry about them too much. Let's get started with this template right here. You can also start from a blank canvas if you'd like that. But if you're not someone that is a designer like me, then you can get started with one of these pre-made templates that you can edit it to your liking. So this right here is the new certificate builder. Before, it used to be block based. It was kind of tricky to use if you were not really used to blocks. So yeah, this is a completely custom builder, which is really good. It's kind of like Canva. If you guys have used Canva, then there should be a piece of cake for you. This is your canvas area. This is your layers menu, right? And towards the left here, you've got your elements that you can simply drag and drop, and you can say anything here. Like I can say subscribe. You better subscribe. Anyways, let me delete this for now. Now, something you need to understand here, besides, you know, the basic drag and drop, click, type, etc., changing your colors, which is really simple, it's going to be these are smart tags, and these will dynamically or automatically render the necessary information as per the student, as per the course, whenever they click on generate, whenever this is generated and all that. So the site name smart tag, it basically renders your site's name. Student name renders the student's name, whoever it is that has completed this course. They'll be given this certificate, so yeah, their name will be rendered here, so you're not going to have to sit there and manually type out every student's name. That's not something we do. Okay, course title, pretty self-explanatory. Duration, start date, instructor's name, completion date, everything here is dynamic. And all these are draggable from these elements menu. You can simply get something like current date. Do we have a date here? Okay, so we only have a course start date. Suppose I want a current date as to when this certificate was generated, and I want it somewhere right around there. Then I can put it there, right? There it is, current date. And I guess let me show you guys a preview, but before that, let me publish it. Now I'm gonna click on preview. So this is what it's looking like. This is what your students will get to see as well, but you know, they'll have their information here. So yes, your students can download this as a PDF. They can share it on social media. They can put it wherever they want to. They can also print it out in case that is what you're looking for. So yes, that is possible as well. And yeah, I guess let's talk about customization. Everything's pretty simple. It's drag and drop, you know, click stuffs around. And if you'd like to change the styling of anything, you would simply click on it, and you've got this hover menu here, and you can bring things down, change the color, change font, italicize it, underline it, and you've got more settings. If you click on it, then this thing's gonna open up. So yeah, here in the bar, you've got basic customization, and for certain things, if you'd like more customization, then you can simply click on settings here, and it's gonna open up more things for you. So yeah, this is a pretty nice builder. If you'd like to change this background here, you've got the background area, and you can change it however you'd want to. For now, I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Or wait, let me check out this one. You know, this looks good. Sure, I'll use this. Why not? Let me move these two down here. Okay, so I think we're pretty much done here. I'm just gonna update it, and now all we need to do is we need to assign this certificate to a course. For that, let's go back here within our courses menu, and from in here, let's go ahead and let's pick a course. So these are the starter courses that you can import when you're installing the Masteriyo LMS plugin. I guess for now, let's just select whatever course we have here, mastering the course builder. Now from in here, you've got your course settings. Simply go over to settings, and you should see certificate here. Simply click on it, enable it, and let's select our certificate that we just created, course completion certificate. It seems I did not give it a name, but yeah, let's not worry about it too much. Course completion certificate is the one that we created. You can create multiple different certificates and you can link them to your courses as per your need or your liking. There's also an option here to send certificate via an email, so whenever a user completes the course, the certificate will be automatically sent to them. This is a premium feature, but even without this, your users can still download their certificate in the free version, so let's not even worry about that too much. Allow certificate sharing. If you like this, you can simply turn it on. It allows students to view or share the certificates from the single course page to various different social medias upon the course completion. Anyways, let's go ahead, let's update this, and let me show you what that looks like. Mastering the Course Builder, this is the course. I am currently logged in as an admin, but I think it should matter. Let me just start the course for now. So suppose this is the course, you know, I'm reading the things, I mark it as complete, I do next, I mark more things as complete. You can see the completion slider is going up as well. Let me quickly mark all these as complete and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so we are almost done. I have marked everything as complete. And by the way, if you guys did not realize it by now, Mastering the Course Builder, so whenever you download and install the Masteriyo LMS plugin and you import these starter courses, they are kind of teaching you how to use the plugin as well. There's everything as to, you know, what you can do with this plugin, how you can do things with this plugin. So you actually get a course alongside the plugin on how to use this plugin, so it's pretty neat as well. Yeah, here I've marked everything as complete. This is what happens with your students. They mark things as complete, you know, they go ahead, they finish the course, and it says congratulations, you've successfully completed the course. You can download your certificate, and what you can also do is you can leave a review. My certificate has been downloaded, so if I click on open file here, there it is. This is my certificate. It says Color Maggie, that's my site's name. Let's not worry about that too much. Today's current date, my name, username, and this is the course, duration, course created, course instructor, which is me myself. It's kind of like that Obama meme, you know, putting on the medal to myself, but yeah, let's not worry about that too much. Course completed August 24th, 2026. Okay, I just realized there is a date here already, so this is not necessary. But yeah, I'm just trying to show you that this certificate builder is flexible, that's all. Anyways, there it is. And now, suppose I am still a user, I did not download my certificate, what's gonna happen? Well, I can simply go back to the My Account page, and in here, I'll see my menu, your certificates. I can simply go over there, I can preview it, I can download it, and this is everything about the certificate builder for the Masteriyo LMS plugin. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm Sid, and I'll see you whenever I'll see you. Take care, and also, I am in need for video ideas, so if you've got any video ideas that you would want me to work on, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll happily make those.